Today, I am reviewing MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a powerful gaming laptop that combines sleek design, top-notch performance, and great value for money, then the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop deserves your full attention. This machine is not just about speed. It's about delivering a smooth, immersive, and future-ready experience that works equally well for gaming, productivity, and content creation. Let's start with the design. The MSI Thin lives up to its name. It's incredibly sleek, lightweight, and portable. At just 0.81 inches thick and weighing only 4.1 pounds, this laptop is easy to carry anywhere. The brushed gray finish gives it a premium and professional look, making it suitable not only for gamers but also for students, designers, and working professionals who appreciate performance in a stylish form. Now, moving on to one of the most impressive aspects, the display. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel delivers crisp details, vivid colors, and wide viewing angles. But what really makes it stand out is the 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, racing games, or just scrolling through your desktop, the experience is incredibly smooth. The higher refresh rate minimizes motion blur and input lag, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Under the hood, the MSI Thin packs some serious power. It's equipped with Intel's 13th Gen Core i5-13420H processor. This CPU offers the perfect blend of performance and efficiency, with 8 cores capable of handling both heavy workloads and multitasking with ease. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications at once, this laptop handles it effortlessly. But performance doesn't stop at the processor. The MSI Thin comes upgraded with a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. This is a massive advantage, especially for gamers and creators. You can run several apps simultaneously, open multiple browser tabs, and switch between games or editing software without any slowdown. The responsiveness is lightning fast and everything feels snappy and smooth. Storage is another area where MSI impresses. This model comes with a spacious 1 TB SSD. That means you get blazing fast boot times, quick file transfers, and ample space to store your games, media, and work files. Whether it's large video files or your entire Steam library, there's more than enough room. Now, let's talk graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU takes gaming visuals to another level. It supports real-time ray tracing and DLSS technology, features that make your games look incredibly realistic with stunning lighting, reflections, and shadows. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, Apex Legends, or Valorant all run smoothly, with great frame rates. This GPU also makes the laptop suitable for creative professionals working with Adobe Premiere, Blender, or DaVinci Resolve. You get desktop-level performance in a portable machine. The backlit keyboard is another thoughtful touch. It allows you to game or work comfortably in dim lighting or during late-night sessions. The tactile feedback is great, and the layout is well-designed for both typing and gaming. Connectivity is also top-notch. You get multiple USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB Type-C port with DisplayPort support, HDMI output, RJ45 Ethernet, and a combo audio jack. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure fast and stable wireless connections whether you're gaming online or transferring files. And that's not all. This bundle also includes a 7-in-1 docking station with an extra 512 GB of storage, a 32 GB microSD card, and multiple charging and data cables. That's a huge bonus for anyone looking for added convenience and extra storage out of the box. Windows 11 Pro runs smoothly on this laptop, offering better performance, security, and multitasking. It's optimized for both gaming and productivity, giving you a clean and efficient interface that enhances the overall experience. In short, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop with an Intel Core i5-13420H, RTX 3050, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB SSD is an incredible value for anyone who wants portable power. It delivers smooth gaming performance, high productivity, and great visuals, all while maintaining a thin and stylish design. Whether you're a student, gamer, or creative professional, this laptop easily adapts to your needs. If you're upgrading from an older laptop or switching from console gaming, the MSI Thin offers a noticeable jump in both visual quality and responsiveness. Add to that the docking station bundle, and you've got one of the most well-rounded setups in this price range. For its blend of design, power, and value, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an easy recommendation. It's built to perform, designed to impress, and ready to handle whatever you throw at it.